gorgeous, welcome to my channel. I am EJ. In today's video we are still doing a market countdown. Today is Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday the 16th, and my market is Saturday, July 20th, and we're still working. Now I do have I've been working on shirts actually since 9 a.m. and it's what, 2:35 p.m. right now, and I'm just now sitting. Well, I did sit down for like 10 minutes to eat my lunch, but I'm now sitting down doing this video. I should have done it earlier. Excuse the mess, but this is work mode, okay? This right here is work mode, and we're not looking cute. I was supposed to go to return something to Whole Foods, you know, to Amazon, and then I was going to go over to Marshall's and see if they had the big tissue paper so that I can put together the mystery boxes. And I was supposed to run over to Hobby Lobby, which is like in the same area, which guess what I didn't do? All of those things. Instead, I got ready, I got dressed, I went to work. I started doing t-shirts. I put a design on the machine, ironed another set of t-shirts. I think I want to do 3 more designs, and the reason why I'm pushing myself is because I don't know if I'm going to have another market this year, and I really need, and excuse the mess, the hot mess back here. I really do need to take as much as I can, and after really doing my inventory last night, I have it written here, I was like, wait, I don't really have like a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm going to show you what I mean by stuff. But as crochet wise, yeah, we're going to put a hold on the crochet for now. I need to get t-shirts done. I need to make cups. I need to put mystery boxes together. I have a couple of new books to put into the mystery blind date with the book deal. And you know what? I have a headache. I do. I've been having a headache since the last few weeks, but it's not going to stop me. I need to keep pushing forward, because that's what you do when you have a small business and you work for yourself. None of these other things can get in the way. You have to keep persevering, right? So I did finish the chicken though. So here she is in all her glory. So she's done. She can go meet with her friends. We're going to go take her over to the other room and put her there. Like I said, I had started a bag because I thought I was like a genie and I can just get it done. I'm a magician, but no, I'm not a magician. I cannot just whip up a bag because I was actually crocheting a bag, and so I just put that aside. And then I was going to start on the Astronaut. Then I said, no, you know what? It was like 9 p.m. last night when I decided I thought I was going to do these things, because I took some time while I have another channel and I was doing videos for that one, which I didn't even finish those for today. Oh my God, I have so much to do on my to-do list, and it's only one me. And tomorrow, Wednesday, my daughter is, I'm just going to tell her to bring her dog in the afternoon, because in the morning I'm jam-packed. Like, I'm going to get up early, probably 4 a.m. and get started so that I can get all the things that I want done in a very timely manner, because I really only have the rest of today, tomorrow, and Thursday to not only do stuff for my business, but take care of my health, because I do take time to work out, clean the house, do laundry. As a matter of fact, I need to put some stuff in the dryer. The little bunnies ordered maid service. They said they don't like the janitor, my husband, cleaning their cage because he doesn't do a good job. So they want me to come and clean their stuff. I need to brush them, spend time with them. I need to bathe my dog, my little poodle. So I have a lot on my plate, and I cannot neglect them because, you know, they rely on me. So right now I just stopped like I said, I did 2 designs, and I'm going to show you those right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go clean my machine out, because I have not done that since I started crocheting, oh my gosh, embroidering last week, and I need to oil my machine before we move on to the next designs. What I'm trying to do is determine if I want to do, so there are some designs when you take the batting off, the stabilizer off the back, if it's very, you know, I'm gonna show you the design. So this is one of the designs I did, and you see how the lettering is there? Well, it takes a long time to take that out, and you got to be very careful because you don't want to rip the stitches on this side, because you can do that if you're just ripping it out. So, and you don't want to leave the paper there. Like, that's just because I do iron a soften touch in the inside, so that way it's not itchy, or if they're allergic to, you know, something in that thread, it's not going to, you know, it's just not going to irritate the person. So I'm trying to decide. I think the other designs are not like this, where they have all these tiny little words and it's hard to take that off, because that's where I spent a lot of my time, 5 t-shirts doing this, is doing that. And then pressing them and then putting the little backing on there and then folding them. You know, I do need to invest in one of those shirt folder thingies, because let me tell you, I'm pretty sure I'd probably, you know, a second faster, which a second is a second right now in this time, in this critical time, right? And the next design, this was my hot seller, sold out right when they hit the table. Right when they said open and they came to me, it was gone. I mean, I was just like, where's that design? It was like gone. That people that bought the design where it would go, that, you know, they would tell other customers, oh, go to her booth, she has them, but I didn't have them because they sold out. And that is this design. This is a hot design. Sell out very fast. I know it's Halloween themed, but it's ghost. People love ghost still. You know, Halloween is just, we're gonna go to sleep, wake up, and it's Halloween. So I am taking my holiday stuff, because why not? Hobby Lobby has holiday stuff. They have Thanksgiving and Christmas all at the same time. I don't think they do Halloween there. But you know, yeah, this was my hot seller. The only difference is the color of the shirt. Last year I offered it in like a army green. This time it is in a heathered blue. And I think it looks really nice. I like it on this color. So those are the two right now that just finished. This design was so easy to take the backing off, because you could see there's no little details. And again, you need to be careful when you're taking that backing off, that stabilizer, because it will rip your threads, and you don't want to do that, your stitches. So I'm going to show you what that room looks like. I had thought about recording, but as you know, YouTube is like cutting my videos in half, so that's why we're doing this every day up until Saturday, and maybe even Sunday will come up here. If not, it'll be Monday. But you know, and I'm just sharing bits and pieces of what I'm working on. So things that I still need to do, like I mentioned, or the cuts, some new bookmarks. You get, you know what I'm saying, right? I wanted to print some stickers because I was going to do like a set. And then I need to put the mystery boxes together and then still do 3 designs. I think I can get this done if Cricut behaves and my machine continues. That's why we need to go clean it, and we need to oil it, so that way I can continue to use it to make the next designs. Crochet wise, I don't know if I'm going to do anything today. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see where I'm at. If I finish all the t-shirts today, and if I can manage to do some stickers, because you know, doing the stickers is pretty easy, and printing while the stickers are printing, I could print the bookmarkers and then laminate those, print them, laminate them, and then cut them. You know, I could do that. So but right now what I want to do is take you over to the other room. I want to take you through what I'm going through at this moment, so that you could see, and maybe this is something that you might be going through, or maybe you think you're the only one. looking like a hot mess and having a hot mess. Like I don't even care right now what the room looks like because I'm just on the go. And I literally had to go put my tennis shoes on, my Skechers, because they're very comfortable. Normally I'm like no shoes. I hate wearing shoes or closed shoes anyway. I like to wear open-toed shoes, but I hate closed shoes. But anyway, I literally put my Skechers on because I've been standing there since 9 a.m. and like I said, it's 2:30. I took about a 10-15 minute break to eat my lunch because I was getting lightheaded. Otherwise, had I not got lightheaded, I wouldn't have ate lunch. I would continue through because that's how I am. But let's go ahead and let's head over to that room and let me just show you what I've got going on. So this is the little hallway. That's the office. That's where we were at. This is all of the garments that I have. There's one design of, or there's like one t-shirt, one design, one size, one design, and then you can go like, I put like here the rest of them. Now I have the rest of these in the other room and I'll show you. But so this is what this is looking like. I think the rest of the designs, I'm just gonna hang them all there, all the sizes, because there's like one size per design. And that way they can kind of see. So I do have my sweatshirts, my crew necks here, and I do have my t-shirts up in the front. But let's go into the room. This is what this is looking like right now. As you can see, I have the designs here. And then I was going through my inventory of blank t-shirts to see what I had available to, just because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. This is an empty container. The blind dates with the books. There's all of this hot mess going on. Like it literally, there's Jasper because he always has to see what I'm doing. And then there's the rest of the t-shirts. And as you can see, I was trying to figure out like what I was going to do with this. I need to go to the garage and get more hangers because I want to have like consistent all white hangers. So there's that. Now we're going to turn you around. And you could see, these are the mystery box things that I got going on that I need to put together. Here's some shirts that I ironed for a design. Another set of shirts for a design. 2 more sets of shirts for a design. This is the Soft and Touch that I put in the inside of the garment so that it's not itchy. You see my machine on over there just doing its thing. And then we have the chickens, and then here's the board. We actually, you know, as my husband and I, well, actually, as I was doing this board, putting it together, I was like, you know what? I think I need to get more sturdy feet on here if I'm going to add these baskets, because especially when I added the key fob, the pegboard started to like tilt forward on the other stand that I have. So I went to Lowe's and I bought these. These are actually to hang shelves on the wall. And we attached it to the pegboard, and voila, we got, yeah, it's not painted. That's another thing that I need to do, or I want to do. I don't get to it, I'm not even going to worry about it, you know, because I just, you know, if I don't have time, I don't have time. Then here it is. There's all of the stabilizer I was pulling off of the shirts so that I can iron. The iron's hot right now, so I'm not going to go near that. I had my iPad there because I was watching, you know, YouTube and movies. I was going back and forth. And then here we are with some the shirts that I was putting the backing on. You know, I was in this crochet little ghost that I did last year. And then here we are. Here it is. This is what this is looking like right now. This is what this is the actual trash can right here that I'm going to go through after I'm done, because I know if I organize it right now, I'm just going to make a big mess. And then here we go. There's the other two. There's the designs. This is the envelope that I put my designs in. I print them and keep them so that way I have them. And then those loveys need to get tagged. I already made the price tags for them. But this is what we're working with right now, you guys. It is quite a bit of a mess here. But, and then I need to put my project, I'm making a dress. So I need to put that project off of that and fold this because we're taking that. And yeah, there's just so much going on right now. And like I said, I do need to clean this out, oil it, and then run I run like a little tester so that the oil can come out on a tester garment rather than the actual garment. But there we are. I have more. Those designs are done, so I need to put those away. But this is what I'm working with. And I thought I'd just share that with you so you could see that, yeah. And of course, I don't have the Mighty Hoops. I wish I had them, but I don't, and it's not in the budget at this time. But when I can get them, my life will be a lot more simpler once I can get to that point. But right now, and I do regret not getting those. Well, let me just turn you around. Let's go in the other room, and this time we can talk a little bit, and then we will, yeah, here we are. Just so you can see. I didn't know where to put these shirts because I had a bunch of shirts here, and I was like, oh my gosh, so I didn't have room, and I just stuck them there. But those all need to get packaged, or they might just all get hung up. So that's the other thing I need to check to see what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that is what I'm dealing with. I do have a major headache. I did not sleep well last night. My brain just wouldn't shut off. I had all these ideas that I wanted to do. Does that ever happen to you? Like, you're tired, you go to bed, and then your brain just starts going and working with like all these ideas and things. That's what was happening to me. Like, my brain just wouldn't shut up. It just kept going. And I just truly wanted to sleep because I knew that I was going to have a busy day today. And so I am tired. I really do want to take a break and go a mile away and get a Starbucks so that I can get energized. And at the same time, I'm like, that time I take to do that, I could be doing something else. That's how my brain works, you guys. That's the inside of EJ's brain, is that I always think, oh, I need a break so I can do this. And then I'm like, oh, but do I really need to do that? Because that time I'm taking away, I could be doing this and getting that much more done. Like, that's how I think. So then I don't ever take a break, and then I don't ever do the things that I need to do because I talk myself out of it. I'm already exhausted, see? I know I need to go downstairs, put those clothes in the dryer, and let my guy out because he needs to do his business, because he's like looking at me like, did you not see me go? Like, do you not see me? I need to go and do my business. So we need to go take care of all of that, all of those things. What I think I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to go ahead, clean that machine. Well, first I'm going to let him out. And since I'm going to go downstairs, I'm going to put the clothes in the dryer, come back up, clean the machine out really quick, oil it, do the tester, put a design on. That way that's going. Because, I've got to do five or six shirts at a time. Not at a time, one at a time. Sometimes I wish I had another machine. But then sometimes I wish I never had the machine. Sometimes I wish I just got a sublimation machine, because it's just much more easier to press than it is to embroider and do all the things that I need to do right now. And I feel like with sublimation, we're going to get into that in another video, because I don't want to go over the allotted time that YouTube is giving me, like 20 minutes or so. So we're going to go ahead and end it here, okay? And we will pick up the camera tomorrow and see what I've accomplished, how much more I got done, and, well, I guess accomplished and how much more I got done is the same thing. See, I'm not here today. Just excuse this, because this is just reality for reals. But we will talk tomorrow. I hope you have a good Tuesday. Talk to you soon.